All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is our weekly weather briefing for the upcoming week. Before we get started in that, the weather that's we got upcoming, just to let you heads up, we had 3 survey teams that went out in different directions. The reason why we had 3, and all over the place with damage and whatnot. And I believe a couple of them have already have come back with preliminary reports. We'll have that out here shortly. I think we've already sent one report out already, but we'll definitely have all of them most likely by sometime late this afternoon into the early evening. So be on the lookout for that. So let's go ahead and get started with our situation overview for the upcoming week. The front and stuff that just and rain and system that just came through, it's going to return, looks like late Friday, early Saturday as a warm front, and it's going to bring rain chances mainly for areas along our coast. And there's going to be some embedded thunder, but it's going to be mostly showers. Once that pushes through, after another front comes through and kind of clears that out late Saturday, we'll have a couple days break before the next system comes in. And right now, the rain chances are going to return that late Monday, Tuesday timeframe, and we'll cover that here in a minute. But first, let's start off with our drought monitor. They released this today, and it was goes into effect basically a few days ago. So you can see that the drought conditions across much of the area had increased. So this really wasn't taking into account what happened yesterday. So yesterday's rain probably relieved a little bit of what's on this map. But overall, the general trend was to increase drought conditions across the area. And I believe looking at the reports from last night, I think we had about roughly an inch, maybe an inch and a half average for most areas. Some places got a little bit more than that, but on average was about an inch to an inch and a half area wide for the amount of rainfall that we had with the system that just came through. So it really wasn't a soaker, even though a lot of those storms were heavy and producing a lot of heavy rainfall. It's not going to really look like it's going to dent the drought conditions that much. So let's start with Saturday here. When that warm front comes back north, a lot of the coastal areas, maybe upwards towards I-10, I-12, may have a little bit more rain chances there, but this is going to be primarily southeast Louisiana and maybe coastal sections of Mississippi there that will see the greater chances for the showers and a few thunderstorms. But a cold front's going to sweep through late in the day on Saturday and push all of this rain out and really make for some good conditions on Sunday into Monday. So that's why I put this graphic on here. Warm temperatures, even though it's a cold front, it's relatively cold front. It's more like cool front, just to kind of like dry out the air, but it's not going to cool temperatures down that much at all. You see the 80s that are forecasted for Sunday into Monday. That's above normal for this time of year. So it's going to be still slightly above normal, but we'll have at least a good couple days before the next rain chance comes in, which will be late Monday into Tuesday. So we'll start seeing rain chances increase late Monday as the next system kind of approaches the area and starts bringing a lot of moisture back into the area. So we may see some showers and thunderstorms increase late Monday, but definitely on Tuesday. Right now, just looking at the models and looking what we've got with guidance, it doesn't have a whole lot of severe weather threat right now. I mean, we're still talking 5-6 days out, but it has what I wanted to point out. It really looks to be a lot more of a rain chance with this one, because the models were starting to put a little bit higher amounts several days out. So, and I would say like 2 to 3 inch range. So, I mean, it looks to be more of a rainmaker with this this particular system that's going to come through the beginning of next week. But stay tuned. I mean, it wouldn't be surprised to see another round of severe weather with this. But right now, indications are, looks like it's a little bit more of a rain event. beyond next week and that 8 to 14 days, so like the following week, we're looking to have maybe temperatures slightly look like they may be coming in just trending somewhat below normal. And by the time we get into mid-April, we're talking normals probably in the low 80s. So we might see the probability of seeing something a little bit less than that. So that's what the outlook is for that time frame. And then for rainfall, really no real signal there for our neck of the woods, southeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. So looks to be normal for, and this we're talking about mid-April. So we should be getting April showers. I mean that's normal. So that's no real signal trend there to point either way. So once again, once we get past this warm front with the rain chance on Saturday, and it's not a real big chance, but once we get past that, Sunday and Monday look actually pretty good. Conditions wise across the area, we should clear out definitely on Sunday. Sunday should definitely be a really good day if you want to plan outdoor events, that sort of thing. Once Monday comes around, we start getting a return flow of the moisture. We start getting those rain chances come back in, and we're going to have to pay attention to that Monday, Tuesday system. Right now it's looking more like of a rain chance, but we can't rule out severe weather at this time.